You have to have a Gmail account in order for you to open a YouTube channel. So once you have your Gmail account open, you're going to go over to YouTube and it should look something like this. Then what you're going to do, it's going to look something like this. Then you're going to go to the upper right hand corner right here where you're going to see your initial and you're going to click that initial right there. You're going to hit create channel. Once you create your channel, YouTube is going to automatically give you a handle. So this is going to be my handle, Sabrina W. So I want my YouTube channel. So you can change your channel to whatever you want to name it, providing it's available. And I am going to start a travel vlog. So I'm going to call it Sabrina Travel Vlog. Get that check mark, green check mark right there, which is telling you that it's available. And then you just hit create channel. And it's as simple as that. Your channel is created. Now, what you're going to do, we're going to customize our channel. And then you're going to hit continue here. Then you're going to brand your channel. You click on branding. You're going to upload an image, a picture of yourself or a logo, whatever you want. So you choose a picture, you upload it. Then you're going to upload a banner. What we're going to do, we're going to go over in Canva and create a banner. So you just go in Canva and you hit YouTube banner, and it's very simple just to create one in Canva. So what I want you to do here, see all of these beautiful cover, but I want you guys to click create blank YouTube banner. What you're going to do over here, you're going to hit travel. And once you hit travel, you're going to get a banner that surrounds the title of your channel. So I like this one right here. It's very simple. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type in Sabrina Travel Vlog. I'm going to delete this. And then you can always come back and revisit this if you want to add some more stuff to your banner. So you're just going to download this onto your computer to be uploaded onto your YouTube banner. So this is simple as that. So I upload it and this is what it looks like. Canva, and YouTube is going to show you this is what it's going to look like on all devices. On my desktop, Sabrina Travel Vlog. Just simple as that. Remember, Canva is a paid subscription and it's also a free subscription that you can utilize. So open a Canva account. Then you upload that. What you're going to do here, you're going to hit a subscription button. And then what you want this to be on the entire video, your subscription button. If you don't have a subscription button, I'm going to leave this in the description so you could download this to upload it onto your channel, a subscription button. Then what you're going to do here is hit publish. And then there you have it. You have your YouTube channel created. So that's me, Sabrina W, Sabrina Travel Vlog. Be the first one to subscribe to this channel. And I am a traveler. I'm also a travel agent. So I will be uploading a lot of travel content. So I've decided to create a travel channel. So we're going to go back and customize our channel a little bit more. So we're going to put the basic info. So the basic info, you have your name right there, however you want it. Then you're going to put a description of what your channel is about. So I am going to write a description here. What do I want to write? I want to say sharing my travel journey history. No. So I'm going to describe my channel as sharing my love for travel for your inspiration. Again, you can always come back and change this, but for now, this is how I'm going to describe my channel. You see your channel URL is right there. Then you're going to hit publish. And that's, guys, you have created your YouTube channel and you are ready to upload some awesome content on your new YouTube channel. As a new YouTuber, I recommend that you download an app called vidIQ onto your computer. It's very helpful for people who just start YouTube. It's a paid app and it's also a free app, vidIQ, but the free version gives some really, really good tips on your journey of YouTubing. TubeBuddy is also the same type of app. It's a paid app as well, and they also have some free features that you can use as a new YouTuber. So you can pick either one. You could download both or you could pick either one. It doesn't matter. I think it's going to be very beneficial for you as a new YouTuber. And that's it, guys. You are ready to upload some awesome content. I wish you many success with your YouTube channel. YouTube, I believe, is one of the best resources out there for you to share your knowledge on things that I know that will beneficial to a lot of people. People are out there waiting for your channel and all that you have to offer. And YouTube is one of the best platform, in my opinion, for you to get started in doing that. Please give this video a thumbs up. I'll greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.